Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. One of my students recently became a mother for the first time, and she now has a 3-month-old baby girl. Those of you out there who've had children will know how exhausting and stressful the early years of parenthood can be. So when her own mother announced that she was planning to come and stay and help out with the newborn child, my student was initially quite excited. But then she started panicking because she realised that while her own mum was staying with her and her partner and her newborn daughter, she would have to be on her best behaviour. If you say that someone is on their best behaviour, you basically mean that they're being extremely polite and behaving very, very well for one particular occasion. So for my student, this is going to mean she won't be able to swear, she won't really be able to drink around her mum, she won't be able to go out and meet her friends and come home later. She'll basically have to be the ideal model daughter and the ideal model young mother. In the same way, maybe when you meet your partner's parents for the first time, you feel like you have to be on your best behaviour. Or if you're taking your young children to see a new school that you might potentially be sending them to, you might warn them before you go in. Listen, you two, I want you to be on your best behaviour today, okay? No messing around. I don't want you to show yourselves up. You might also tell your class, if you're a teacher and you know that you're going to be inspected, which can be a very stressful thing for many teachers. Listen, tomorrow, okay, just for once in your lives, please, 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 please be on your best behaviour. If you don't mess around in class, if you don't cause any problems for me, okay, I'll do something in return for you. Maybe less homework over the weekend. Do we have a deal? If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. It helps other people find out about what we do. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use on your best behaviour.